Good morning, class 5. So, today we are going to do the question answers of Tea with Miss Honey. Okay, so get your copy and your pencil, paper, rough copy, whatever, so that you can listen to the video and write it down. Okay, so here goes. Let's start, right? So, we'll do that, and I'll just remove my keyboard and I'll get my stuff ready for you. Tea with Mrs. Honey. Now let me see which page on my copy I have written it. Why girl is done. Tea with Mrs. Honey. Okay, yes, I have written it here. Question number 1. What was strange about Miss Honey's front door? Answer. Miss Honey's front door didn't have a keyhole, and it was so low that she had to bend down to get through the doorway. Okay. So, Miss Honey's front door didn't have a keyhole, and it was so low that she had to bend down to get through the doorway. Full stop. Finished. Why did Miss Honey need water? Miss Honey needed water to make tea for herself and Matilda. Good. Number 3. How did Miss Honey take a bath? Miss Honey took her bath standing up, washing herself with a bucket of water. Okay. Clear? How did Miss Honey take a bath? We did that with a bucket of water. Number 4. Do you think margarine is expensive or cheap? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. I think margarine is cheap. When Matilda saw Miss Honey spread margarine on the bread, she thought to herself, she really must be poor. This shows that if poor people could afford margarine, then it must be cheap. Number 5. Why did Matilda think that something strange was going on in Miss Honey's house? Why did Matilda think that something strange was going on in Miss Honey's house? Okay. Matilda felt that there was something strange because she could not understand why her, otherwise neatly and properly dressed school teacher, would live in such poor conditions. Why was it strange? So that was strange. Such well-dressed teacher and she is so poor. Number 6. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. 6a, question number A. 6a. Dot dash dash, but don't fall in yourself. A1, 6A1. Who says this to whom? 2 is what is the speaker talking about? So the answer 6A1. Miss Honey says this to Matilda. Answer number 6A2. She had asked Matilda to draw some water from the well, comma. So she said this to caution her or to remind her or to be careful. Caution, C-A-U-T-I-O-N, caution her. 6B, are you poor? Question 6B1. Who says this to whom? Question 2. What do you think the speaker feels when she asks this question? Answer 6B1. Matilda says this to Miss Honey, her teacher. B2. She felt sad and rather embarrassed. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D. Embarrassed. She felt sad and rather embarrassed, comma, asking her this question. 6C. That's all right. 6C, question number 1. Who says this to whom? Question number 2. Why does the speaker say this? Matilda says this to Miss Honey. Okay. C2. C1 is Matilda says this to Miss Honey. And C2 is Matilda was being very cautious. Cautious, spelling C-A-U-T-I-O-U-S. Cautious. Matilda was being very cautious not to embarrass. Embarrass, I just now told you the spelling. That was ED. This will not have an ED. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S. Embarrass. Matilda was being very cautious not to embarrass Miss Honey about her poverty. Poverty is being poor. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y. Poverty. V as in victory. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y. Full stop. So, comma, she said this when there was no sugar for the tea that was offered to her by Miss Honey. Okay, I'll read this again. 6C, answer 2. Matilda was being very cautious not to embarrass Miss Honey about her poverty. Full stop. So, comma, she said this when there was no sugar for the tea that was offered to her by Miss Honey. Next video I'm coming back.